Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the final of the Incredible India by SMCH Quiz Club, the India Quiz by Abhishek, Soumya and Partho. So there were total of 4 rounds. Normal round with pounds and bounds with clockwise, and normal round with pounds and bounds anti-clockwise. Then we had a return round, and then one long connect theme round. So for the first and second round there were 18 questions. Round 1 had 9 questions, round 2 had 9 questions clockwise and anti-clockwise. We had plus 10 and minus 20 on answer on bounces. Quiz happened in Zoom, but since it was a very long video to just upload in YouTube, we just decided to proctor it. Thank you, Partha, for giving me the opportunity. So the round 1 was clockwise. So first question was about an award, about one award. Uh, so we are looking for a name of a person. As he said, I come from a country with civilization that gave the world the word that precedes silence and is followed by more silence. The word is Om, so I dictate this award to my country, said the Kerala born Dash. So we are looking for the person and the what the occasion he is talking about. So this was the question number one. Giving some time so that you can answer in the premier chat of this YouTube for the audience who were not present in the finals. So the answer is Russell Pokutti, and this was about the Oscar for the Slumdog Millionaire. Question two was about a town in Jharkhand situated in Damodar Valley. So this was a major mica mining center and was boasted of most number of phone calls made in India. The place came into prominence in 1950s when the trend of requesting songs by Vivid Bharati Radio was set up. Thus grew a song requesting fed in the town. Such huge number of requests came from the town that people started doubting its existence due to its unusual name. So the name of the town, what we are looking for, that is in the Jharkhand, situated in the Damodar Valley. The answer is Jhumri. Question number three. When Ross Taylor underwent an eye surgery back in 2016, Sehwag wished him for quick recovery by tweeting the opening lines of an iconic Hindi song composed by Vishal Shekhar. Name the iconic song. So this is आँखों में तेरी फ्रॉम ओम शांति ओम. आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं. Question number four. Uh, it was about a person and whose assets did Axis killer managed to bring back to India. In 1981, a massacre occurred in a village in UP when X took revenge on the men of higher caste who had wronged X. Uh, in the third para, it said ex killer was convicted and sent to Tihar jail, from where he managed to escape and flee to Afghanistan, only to bring back ashes of a certain Indian ruler from the clutches of the Taliban. Later, he built a temple dedicated to that ruler. So, ruler was a giveaway hint. So, you can take a few guesses. Out of them, one would be correct. For X, think X took revenge on the men of the higher caste who had wronged X. 1981. So timeline is very important. So the answer is Fulan Devi and Prithviraj Chauhan. Now moving on to the next question. This was a pretty easier question. Located in Satpura Hills is a place believed to be the sitting place of one of the Pandavas. Sorry. So one of the Pandavas. The place consists of one of the largest prehistoric complexes made of rock walls and stones. In these walls, there are paintings and description of animal and human description and some of the weapons. Identify place. So think about the rock shelters. Think about the sitting place of one of the Pandavas. So it's a basically etymological question if you think in that way. So this is Bhimbetka rock. Bhimbetka leads to Bhimbetka, which means sitting place of Bhima. Question number 6. So this festival showcase ethnic cuisine culture, sports exhibition, and river rafting to make it a center of attraction for the visitor as New Year event. So this particular thing or the name of the festival literally translate to river bank and is aptly being organized for past 4 years on a river bank. So fill in the blanks. So this fest, uh, we are looking for a name. We were looking for a name of a fest. So the answer is the Jing Fest. Moving on to question number 7. So this particular Piscins Hotel Molitor and Grand's establishment Belleri's Hotel are the former names of X. It is it is a swimming pool in a hotel complex located in Portray Molitor, France. It was opened in 1929 and reopened in 2014. In 1989, due to some contraries, it was shut. Again, we were looking for how the name of this pool has contributed something in Indian pop culture. Contributed something to Indian pop culture. So this is X is Pisin Molitar Patel, and the pool inspired the name of the name of the character in the book Life of Pi, and in the movie adaptation played by Irfan Khan. So Irfan Khan being the connect, and the character in the book Life of Pi is what we were looking for. So easier one, current affairs as in Indian cricketer who died at the age of 29 due to pancreatitis is Santosh Lal. What iconic contribution by him is immortalized in our hearts? So this is a helicopter shot by Dhoni. Moving on, question number 9. So X, also called breeches, are tight fitting trousers that reach the ankle and are worn primarily for horse riding. They are adapted from an ancient style of Indian trouser called churidar. Legend states that Sir Pratap Singh, the youngest son of the Maharaja of X, was an avid polo player. So when he visited Queen Victoria in 1897 for her Diamond Jubilee celebration, he took his polo team along, causing a sensation among the Britishers due to their amazing dressing sense. So what X is, which is also called breeches, which are basically tight fitting trousers. And think about the Sir Pratap Singh's context. So these are basically the Jodhpurs from the Jodhpur. Uh, so the first round ended. Moving on to the round two, which was anti-clockwise. So we were looking for a name of a town and the structure. So this town basically, literally means city of dawn. It is an experimental town where people from everywhere are welcomed, as the town is meant to be humanitarian utopia. In the middle of the town, there is a Goddessic dome dedicated to the mother who planned this city. So, the town and the structure. So, the South Indian town, which literally means city of dawn, and there is a geodesic dome dedicated to mother who planned this city. So, these are the things where you need to focus. So, the answer is Auroville and Matri Mandir. Auroville and Matri Mandir, what we were looking for. Question number 11. So, this one was a pretty easier question. X and Y were two of the most influential people of Assam from their respective field. When X lay ill in on cold morning in February 2011, Y visited X in the hospital and had said, "You cannot go before me, and I am still here." After a few months, both died during the exact same month, but it happened exactly the way Y told X. Y took his last breath around 24 days before X passed away. So the influential people from Assam, two influential people from Assam, 2011 they died with a gap of 24 days. So X and Y, what we were looking for. So the answer is Bhupen Hazarika and Maman Raisam Goswami. So here X is Maman Raisam Goswami and Y is Bhupen Hazarika. Y died in 5 November 2011 and Maman Raisam Goswami died on 29 November 2011. Question number 12. So we are looking for the name of the house where Dr. Asthana lived. So from the context of the Munna Bhai MBBS, so what was the apt name? Dr. Asthana's house has become popular among PUBG fanatics. So something to do with PUBG. So what is the name of his house? PUBG fanatics is a giveaway hint. So you are left with few guesses. Take one guess and get it correct. So the answer is Erangel Villa. Erangel is good enough. Moving on to question number 13. After this, we will be left with 5 questions for the anti-clockwise round. So, just name these staple protest anthems since the past few decades. So, there was a certain poem uh, during during the car protest. So, this he alleged that two lines from the poem translated below were anti-Hindu and communal. So that was a giveaway hint. I'm reading out those lines. From the adobe of God, when the icons of falsehood will be removed, when we, the faithful who have been barred from the sacred place, will be seated on a high pedestal, when crowns will be tossed, when thrones will be brought down. So these were the lines. So which anthem, protest anthem basically. So car protest is giveaway. We had there's one giveaway hint in the first para. If you look clearly, to show solidarity to the students who were attacked in Jamia Millia. So that's the hint. So the answer is हम देखेंगे by phase. Moving on to question number 14. More famous as a footballer, he was a part of the Indian team who won the gold at 1962 Asian Games. He was even called for trial by current Premier League team Tottenham Hotspur, which he turned down. So he also played two Ranji Trophy finals, but unluckily he lost against Bombay on both the occasion and notched respectable score of 96 and 84. Along with these, he also played hockey at club level. So who is this true all-rounder who became a victim of 2020? So, a true all-rounder who played football, who played Ranji Trophy finals, and also played hockey at the club level. So this is Chuni Goswami, who died in 2020. Moving on to question number 15. So another current affairs question. So Dilbar, a 1994 Bollywood film starring Mamta Kulkarni and Rishikesh Raj and directed by B. Krishna Rao, it had music by legend Lakshmikant Pyarelal. Apart from being the popular for the song Dilbar Dilbar, the movie also marked the first and the only known movie appearance of Dash, although he was seen on TV shows and is also is a known songwriter. So since I said current affairs, that was a giveaway hint, as the timeline also suggests that the answer would be राहत इंदौरी. बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं, ये दुनिया है इधर जाने का नहीं, मेरे बेटे किसी से इश्क कर मगर हद से गुजर जाने का नहीं. So this was the most famous iconic lines and was also a part of a meme. So Rahat Induri is what we were looking for. Moving on to question number 16. So this one is a only herbivorous spider in the world. So we are looking for the name of the genus and species name. Sounds apt, but for hints, uh, the character of its the character famous for its long lives from the literature based on the Indian subcontinent goes for the genus name, and the author of that particular literature piece it goes in the species name. So character famous for its long lives from from a literature based on Indian subcontinent. So this is Bagheera Kiplingi. So Bagheera being the character and Rudyard Kipling being the literary giant. Uh, Question number 17. So there is one tweet and what was the context is being asked. So even if I try all my life, I won't be able to write a better line than dash 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 dash. You fail to honor the words which made millions of Indians cry and care their motherland. So also there was one line, I won't attend any award show till I breathe my last. Alvida. So what was the tweet all about and whose tweet this was? So the answer is this is Manoj Muntashir, uh, and it was an outrage when Gali Mein song won the Filmfare Awards for the best lyrics over Teri Mitti. Moving on to the question number 18, the last question for the anti-clockwise round. So after this, we will be left with the few more questions, which was a written round and a long connect. So question number 18 was about one Indian scientist who developed an equation to describe chemical and physical condition in star. He also invented an instrument to measure the weight and the pressure of the solar rays. Moreover, he was the chief architect of river planning in India and prepared the original plan for the Damodar Valley project. So he also won the election and refused toward public role and was accused of leaving his laboratory. So who is this legendary person? Scientist, politician, and a chief architect as well. So this is none other than Meghnad Saha. So after the end of the clockwise and anti-clockwise round, we are in the written round. Though it was written round for the finalists, you people can comment as in the premier chat the answers before I finish or before I show up the answers. So question number one. So this particular image situated in Aravali Hills in the district of Rajsaman. This memorial is reminiscent of an act of bravery of X and is believed to be the spot where X died. So identify X. So this one was image. So for better image, so who died here? So the answer is Chetak Samadhi, Rana Pratap's famous sword Chetak, who died in the Battle of Haldighati. Moving on to question number 2 of this written round. ID the 6-year-old wonder kid from Assam or give me his claim to fame. Easy one. Taking some time for you people to comment down your answers. So this is Ayan Gogoi Gohai, and he became the youngest author of India at the age of 4. By the age of 6, he already published 2 books. So Ayan Gogoi Gohai, good enough. Youngest author of India, good enough. Moving on to question number 3, one of the easiest question of this quiz. Namak Haram Deuri refers to both the main gate and the palace was the residing place of. So Namak Haram Deuri was the residing place of what or whom? So Namak Haram was what you have to focus. So act of betrayal being shown in the question. So the answer is Mir Jafar, known for his betrayal. Question number 4, penultimate question of the written round. So you just have to give the good word from this Google Doodle and what was this reference to. So good word in the Google Doodle and the reference to. For reference, in bold there is written the darkest era of Indian history. So this is basically the sterilization and the mass sterilization procedure carried out during the emergency period in India in order to check the population growth. So darkest era being the emergency period in India. Moving on to the last question of the written round. So whose statue? This is back in 2006 in the then Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani inaugurated a bronze bust of famous Indian in the UN headquarters in Paris. Whose statue? This one was a easy question. if you see the image properly, so the answer is Aryabhatta. So moving on to the final round, which was a theme round. You people can take guess while the question runs. I will be revealing the answer once all the questions are done. There was the point system like this, a total of 5 questions, and there was a non-exhaustive connect. So the question one: Atul Kapoor is a actor and a voice actor who has done voice dubbing for various characters like Jarvis. So, but he's more famous for something since 2006, which is based on Dutch concept. So Atul Kapoor is famous for what, and also which Dutch concept is based it is based upon. So the first question goes like this. Take some time, and Atul Kapoor is more famous for something since 2006 and which is based on Dutch concepts. We want both. So question number two, uh, this was like plus 100 minus 50 slide. Question number two, uh, so Dash is a high altitude freshwater body, and the name is combination of two Sanskrit word meaning mind and large pond. So we are looking for the name of the water body. It is revered as a sacred place in many religions. The Jain associated it with the first Tirthankar Rishabdev as he attained Nirvana in this place. It is also considered as the summer abode of Hansa, heavenly swan. So we are looking for the name of the water body. Uh, it was a slide for the theme. Question number three. Parakala Prabhakar is an Indian political economist and served as communications advisor in Andhra government. So he is more famous wife. So Parakala, while studying in JNU, met X, who was a political ideology much different from his own parent, and later married her in 1996. So Parakala Prabhakar's famous wife is what we were looking for. Moving on to question number 4. X is a 1977 Indian film which was the distinction of being the first Hindi feature film directed by Satyajit Ray. So X is a drama set in Awadh, Lucknow, where Amjad Khan portrays the Nawab Wazid Ali Shah. Beside it also stars Sanjeev Kumar, Saeed Jafri, Shabana Azmi, while Amitabh Bachchan does the narration. So 1977 Indian film directed by Satyajit Ray. Moving on to question number 5, the act of X is considered to be an important Hindu ritual as it helps in absolving one's sin and incurring divine blessing. So it explained as dash or gold is gifted in the groom by the bride's parents. This practice has its root from the Vedic period when dash were donated to the priest during ceremonies. On his visit to Rwanda in 2018, PM Modi gifted 200 dash to a village to boost them economically. So, what is X? So, this is how the theme round end. For answers, the following slides. So, we are looking for the what Atul Kapoor is more famous for and the Dutch concept it is based on. So this is Big Boss and is based on Big Brother. Moving on to question number 2. So we are looking for the name of the water body for this question. This is Lake Mansarovar. Question number 3. Who is the more famous wife of Paragala Prabhakar? So Jenny was a giveaway hint. This is Nirmala Sitharaman. As of now, probably you people have cracked the theme. Though I won't be revealing, I will be revealing at the end. Question number 4. We are looking for a 1977 film which was directed by Satyajit Ray. So this is Shatranj Ke Khiladi. So the last question of the quiz goes like this. What is X? So Modi gifted 200 dash to a village to boost them economically. So Hindi ritual is what we are looking for. So this is Godan. The themes goes like the works of the Prem Chand from Big Boss and Big Brother, Bade Bhai Sahab is what we were looking for, and Mansarovar was in the answer. Nirmala from Nirmala Sitharaman, Shatranj Ke Khiladi, and Godan. So thank you all for watching the full video, and do subscribe the channel if you are yet to done, as all the quizzes of this particular fest is going to premiere here. Thank you for joining.